In this session, I will show how to make VCP pairing connection, AWS VCP pairing connection. I logged into AWS console. I am in Oregon region, US West region. I do have two VPC in this region. You may have multiple VCP in multiple region and make the communication, make the pairing connection. But in this example, simple example, I do have both VCP, VPC in same region. So if you see here, I have two VPCs. So one is production, one is Siva VPC. To make a VPC pairing connection, the CIDR block must be different. The CIDR block cannot be same. Each subnet cannot be interfere between both the VPC. So here I have different CIDR block and different CIDR block. So going to pairing connection. Create pairing connection. I'm just assigning name. Requester, VPC requester, whichever VPC requesting that can be selected here. So I will make it here production VPC. I do have the CIDR block. Select another VPC to pair with. So if you see, we have option to pair with another account also. If you have another account, or even if you have another account or different vendor, if you want to make it, if they agreed, so you can make it giving the account ID. Here I will go with my account. So region, I have that VPC, another VPC in the same region. So if you want to select another region, if you have, you can select from here. So I will go with the same region because I have another VPC in this region, and select VPC. So see, this is the CIDR block. Create pairing connection. So if you see that a VPC pairing connection has been requested, click OK. So if you see under the pairing connection, it's a pairing connection, status pending acceptance, requester VPC, acceptor VPC, requester CIDR block, acceptor, you can see the more description and DNS and routing table. I will scroll up a little bit. Tags. So if you see that requester owner and acceptor owner both are same, because I'm in the same account, so I do have two different VPC. So I'm trying to make the pairing connection between two VPC. Action, accept request or reject request, delete VPC pairing. In that case, we are going to accept request. Accept VPC pairing connection. Are you sure you want to accept this VPC pairing connection request? Requester account. Acceptor account. Same account. Requester VPC ID. Different. Requester VPC region. And acceptor VPC CIDR, requester VPC CIDR block. Yes, accept. Your VPC connection has been established. So even though we accepted, so it is must to configure routing between this VPC. So modify the route tables now. So now I must need to have a router between both the VPC. So I do have this router already. So this is only for Siva VPC. This routes between VMs between Siva VPC, and I do have one more routing table, that's a production. So one is for private and one is for public. So these routes private. So if you see that NATing to public IP address, elastic IP address, private IP. I will go back. So I am under the NAT gateway now. I will go back to the routing table. So this routing table, it shows it's a public. So this CIDR block, it is targeting to, and all in this targeting to internet gateway. So I do have two internet gateway. One is for Siva VPC, another one is for production. So I will go back to routing table. I will create a routing table, name tag. Sorry, I got a call. I will go over again. Create route table. I'm going to assign so I'm going to choose that VPC. I have two VPC production. So I create a new routing table in the VPC production. I am going to add route, edit, add another route. So this is a Siva VPC CIDR block. So it doesn't need to be this big whole range. You can go to that small segment range. But here I'm taking that, for example, I'm going with the big range. So this is the peering connection we created. So one is internet, NAT, so the peering connection. So I'm selecting this peering connection and save. So save is successful and active. Make sure you get this active. If you are not getting active, so that communication is not active. So this is a very important. So now we have made the peering connection. In similar way, I can add Siva VPC to production also. So I can show that later. Probably if my VMs are on, I can try ping. I'm going to EC2 dashboard. I do have these instances. So I do have a 2 autoscale VM in the Siva VPC. I will name it autoscale VM2. So if you see that here, it's having public DNS and public DNS, autoscale VM. So this is private IP. This is not in public network. So this is in a private network. This is in private network and as well as it is in the new production VPC. So I can turn on, I can show that communication, but I will show that in the next video. I will stop recording this video here. Now I will go that in depth detail in further upcoming videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.